Hey guys, it is Tuesday here in West Virginia, and this is an unplanned video. I went to Walmart this morning to pick up a few things and came across some new Autoworld stock. And I actually found an ultra red Plymouth Voyager. And if anybody's interested, it is up on eBay at Ron's Muscle Car Diecast on eBay. The link is in the video description. But that's not what this video is about. But this van is up for grabs if anybody wants it. It's just not my cup of tea. That's why I'm not hanging on to it. But I have a motto: no chase piece left behind. I get every chase piece I find in the stores. I always grab. I don't leave them behind unless it's a regular treasure hunt. And I don't leave all of them behind all the time. Sometimes I'll grab some of them. So today, though, we're doing a 2 for Tuesday, 2 for Truckin' Tuesday. The new one is this guy here, and it's an 85 Silverado Fleetside that's slammed. This is one of the first slammed Fleetsides I've seen in a while. Since, I don't know, maybe the first ones, the blue and white and the yellow and white ones. I know there's been other manufacturers that have, like not other manufacturers, but hobby shops that have collaborated with Autoworld and had some dropped ones released for them. But for Autoworld, like being their main line that they released throughout the stores, this is one of the first Fleetside dropped ones I've seen in a long time. And the reason I picked it for today is because I had the dropped Stepside in black that I've been hanging on to for a while. I can't remember when I picked this up, maybe a month ago, 2 months ago, something like that. So I've had him for quite a while. And actually, I found his counterpart today. That was the other case of Autoworld that they had. They had this case here, and then they had the case on the counterpart of this one, the one with the maroon Stepside. And we'll do an unboxing on that later on its own, because that is a pretty sweet truck. But anyways, yeah, so we got the slammed Fleetside and the slammed Stepside. So let's go ahead and look at this one first, because this is the first one that was released, and this is not numbered anymore, just as limited edition premium facts. Nothing too involved there. They're not numbering these cars anymore, unfortunately. And on the back, it tells you what's in this 2023 release 1. So yeah, so this is 2023 release 2. So anyways, it has your 91 Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4, the 97 Toyota Supra, the 2020 Chevy Corvette, the 83 Chevy Silverado Stepside, which is this guy here, the 79 Lincoln Continental Mark V, and the 1984 Dodge Caravan. And anyways, let's go ahead and pop him off the card. And this is the first time I'm opening this, so this is a new pull. And usually I try to work the bottom edge like that. If you do want to try to obtain the package, kind of put your fingernail under the edge, and then usually they tear nicely up like that. So then you can slide him out. And then, as you can see, if you wanted to, if you do have protectos for these, you can put it back in there and put it in the protecto. And really, you couldn't tell that much. There's a little tear there in the lettering, but not too bad. So I always try to be easy with them, because sometimes I resell them. Some people want to have the package, but most of the time I just sell them without the package, because they get in the way. I used to like the boxes. I always keep the boxes, but they don't furnish those anymore, unfortunately. So as you can see, the bed on the Autoworld comparing to like the M2 is very correct. There's no wheel tubs inside, because that's basically what the flares are here. They're the wheel tubs. It's just that the Fleetside is on the inside of the tub instead of the outside of the tub. Basically, that's it. And I like the wood slats that they have. Pretty cool. Functioning tailgate. And we're going to zoom in. And it just says USA 1, or USA, I'm sorry, on the plate. And very nice details on the truck. The only thing they're lacking is no mirrors. If they would just take that tip from Mini GT and use rubber mirrors, that would be great. Detailed 350 small block, but it's very hard to see because it is all black. The engine block on this is black, I believe, because you cannot see it too well. But trust me, the details are there because not Mini GT, but Autoworld does a fabulous job with engine detail. I don't think anybody beats them when it comes to the under the hood detail. Nice detailed grille. The bow tie is there, and then the stacked square headlights. Very nice looking little pickup. So let's move along to this one here. There's Collect All 6, 2023 release 2, the Modern Muscle. They brought back the 87 Mitsubishi Steron, however you pronounce that. And then the 85 Plymouth Voyager, as I showed you. I found the Ultra Red one, which is pretty cool. It's a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Moab, and I did pick that one up too. We're going to be doing a modern Mopar unboxing in the coming weeks. I picked it up because it's in orange, which is one of my favorite colors from Mopar, so it looks really cool. We'll be unboxing that soon. And then we have this one here in our hand, the 85 Chevy Silverado Fleetside. Then the vintage Muscle, which they were cool, the 66 Olds 442. Good to see it back. But one we have not seen for quite a while too is the 69 Pontiac Firebird. I was glad to see it. They had all of them there, but the ones that grabbed my attention were the trucks, this Fleetside, and then the maroon counterpart to him, and then the orange Jeep, and of course the Ultra Red. So anyways, let's pop him off the package. And how I get that started, I just push on this because this is not sealed on this little step out, if you guys see, and if you push on it, it will begin to tear the paper for you. And then you can run your finger under like that, and then like so, and then kind of just flip it up. And as I said, it doesn't really tear the outer paper that bad. This one actually came out a little nicer than the Stepside. So you could actually re-glue them if you wanted to, and probably nobody would ever tell. So that's if you guys want to keep the cards. It's the way to do it. So here is your Fleetside that is slammed. And I'll bring this up. This is the only thing that I pick apart on the Autoworld square bodies. It just looks like the rear wheel opening droops in their rear. But that's just my opinion. So pretty cool. This is the 85. This was the 83. And looking at it, you can see the differences in the grills. Still same headlights, just different grills. And different bumper. Look, I can't really compare the tail lights because we have Stepside versus Fleetside. But as you can see, as I mentioned, the bed sides are, Stepside is on the inside of the tub, and the Fleetside is on the outside of the tub. Pretty simple way of looking at it. That's why when M2 puts the tubs on theirs and the stock looking ones, it just doesn't suit it. But when it's the Pro Touring, has the Pro Street tires, yeah, it looks okay. But even Pro Street ones, sometimes I've seen some Pro Street Stepsides where they didn't have any inner tubs. The tubs are big enough where you can get a pretty fat ass tire underneath it without even putting a tub inside the bed. So once again, nice detail in the back, functioning tailgate, and let's see what our plate says here. Truck life. Kind of cool. And then looks good with stock red wheels. Slammed on the ground. Once again, it does have a nice detail in there, but the block is painted black, so it's kind of hard to see. It may be, no, I think it's black. I was going to say it may be orange, but the orange ones are usually pretty vibrant. Like the first releases, the 75 or in 73s, I think it's 73, Stepsides and Fleetsides. If you pop the hood, you can see that engine very clearly because it's vibrant, bright orange with black air cleaner and radiator hoses and stuff. You can see it pretty well. So this makes a really cool set. That's why I picked him up today. I haven't really been picking up a lot of square bodies to keep for myself. I've been picking up some to resell and things like that. But this set I'm keeping just because it's really cool to see the Fleetside and Stepside both in black slammed to the ground with the stock wheels. Looks really cool. So that's it for this video, guys. We'll be back again tomorrow as planned, and we'll be unboxing the Black Pandem A90 Supra from Mini GT. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.